Important formulae for exercise 2.2. So here is a circle, center O, and here is a one straight line. It is touched the circle at only one point, so then it is called a tangent. And the intersection point of a circle and a tangent is called a point of contact. And the radius through this point of contact will make a 90 degrees with the tangent. The next definition is normal of a line. Let's take one circle with a center O, and here is a tangent, and this is called a point of contact P. So a line through point of contact and perpendicular to the tangent. So that means it is called a normal to the circle. Next, the third one is, let's take a one circle and here is a tangent. So we know very well the equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. It is equals to s. And let's take a one point on the circle, that is p x1 comma y1. So then the equation of a tangent is denoting with s1. It is equals to x into x1 plus y into y1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c equals to 0 is the equation of a tangent. So the next formula is circle with the center and here is a tangent. So if the circle is passing through origin, then its equation will become x square plus y square equals to r square. And let's take the one point p on the circle, that is p x1 comma y1. So then in this case the equation of a tangent is x into x1 plus y into y1 equals to r square. Next to the fifth formula is, so circle and here is a tangent. So here is a center. The equation of a circle is, so let's take one point p x1 comma y1 on the circle. So a line through point of contact p and it is perpendicular to tangent, so it is called a normal. So the equation of a normal, y1 plus f into x minus x1 plus g into y plus gy1 minus fx1 equals to 0. Next, one more formula for this equation of a normal, that is y1 plus f into x minus x1 minus x1 plus g into y minus y1 equals to 0. One more formula for this, y minus y1 equals to minus 1 by m. M means slope of a line. Next to bracket of x minus x1. Next to sixth formula, circle. So let's take a one circle. Here is the center. So if the circle is passing through a origin, so then its equation is x square plus y square equals to r square. And here is a tangent, point of contact p x1 comma y1. So in this case the equation of a normal is y minus y1 equals to y1 divided by x1 bracket of x minus x1. So we have one more formula, y1x minus x1y equals to 0. Let's start the exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. First bit, find the equation of the tangent and normal to the circle. So here equation of a circle given x square plus y square minus 6x minus 3y minus 2 equals 0 at 2 comma minus 2. First you compare the given equation with the general form of a equation of a circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So here 2g equals to minus 6, so g equals to minus 3. Next to 2f equals to minus 3, then f equals to minus 3 by 2. Next to constant number c equals to minus 2. Next to the given point 2 comma minus 2, is denoting with p of x1 comma y1, so it is equals to 2 comma minus 2. So then the equation of a tangent formula is x into x1 plus y into y1 plus g bracket of x plus x1 plus f bracket of y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. Substitute the given values in this. X into x1 is 2 plus y into y1 is minus 2 plus g means minus 3 into x plus x1 is 2. Next to f means minus 3 by 2 into y plus y1, so y1 is minus 2 and constant term c equals to minus 2, so it is equals to 0. Let's simplify this. 2x minus 2y and minus 3 multiply inside, minus 3x minus 6. Next to minus 3y by 2, minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6 by 2 and plus or minus 2 is minus 2 equals to 0. So here 2x minus 3x is minus x minus 2y, right, minus 2y minus 3y at the same place. Next here 2 1s are 2 3s are, so minus 6 plus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 equals to 0. So now take the LCM. 2 is LCM, so minus 2x minus 4y minus 3y, next to minus 10 equals to 0. So then the final answer is minus 2x, here minus 4y minus 3y is minus 7y minus 10 equals to 0 is our required equation of a tangent. Otherwise we can take the minus common, so then here minus bracket of 2x plus 7y plus 10 equals to 0. So then the answer is 2x plus 7y plus 10 equals to 0 is our required equation of a tangent. Next, equation of a normal. So this is the equation of a normal formula. In this y1 is minus 2 and f is minus 3 by 2. So bracket of x minus x1, x1 value is 2, next to minus x1 plus g, x1 is 2 plus g value is minus 3, next to y minus y1. So here minus of minus plus, so 2 equals to 0. So here the LCM is 2, so minus 4 minus 3 into x minus 2, next to minus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 into y plus 2 equals to 0. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 by 2 into x minus 2, next to minus of minus plus y plus 2 equals to 0. Now minus 7 by 2 multiply inside, so minus 7x divided by 2, minus and minus plus, here 2 cancel, 7 plus y plus 2 equals to 0. So let's check the LCM. So minus 7x plus 2y. So the equation of a normal is 7x minus 2y minus 18 equals to 0. Next, second question is 2x square plus 2y square plus 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals 0 at minus 1 comma 2. So let's convert this given equation into a general form of a equation. So divide with 2 on both sides. So then x square plus y square plus 3x divided by 2 minus 4y divided by 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to 0. So x square plus y square plus 3x divided by 2, 3x divided by 2 minus here 2y plus 1 by 2 equals to 0. Now compare with the general form. So here 2g equals to 3 by 2, then g equals to 3 by 4. Next to 2f equals to minus 2, then f equals to minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. Next to constant term, it is 1 by 2. Next to the given point is minus 1 comma 2. So let the given point p x1 comma y1 equals to minus 1 comma 2. Then the first answer is equation of a tangent. So substitute the values in this. So x into x1, x1 is minus 1 plus y into y1 is 2. So g value is 3 by 4 bracket of x plus x1, so that is minus 1. Next to f bracket of and the constant term, that is 1 by 2 equals to 0. X into minus 1 is minus x, so next to 2y Next to 3x divided by 4 minus 3 by 4 minus y minus 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to 0. So minus x, next to 3x by 4, 2y minus y, 2y minus y is plus y. So minus 3 by 4 minus 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to 0. Now the LCM of all denominator is 4. So let's take the LCM 4, then minus 4x, next to plus 3x plus 4y minus 3, next to 4 into 2 minus 8, next to plus here 4 in 2 table, 2's are 2 into 1 is 2 equals to 0. So then our required answer is minus 4x plus 3x is minus x, next to 4y minus 3 minus 8 is minus 11, minus 11 plus 2 is minus 9, it is equals to 0. Take the minus common, so x minus 4y plus 9 equals to 0. So then the final answer is x minus 4y plus 9 equals to 0 is the equation of a tangent. Next equation of a normal, here is a formula, so substitute the values. Y1 is minus 2, sorry, the given point is what, minus 1 comma 2 is a given point, so y1 is 2 plus f value is minus 1. Next to x minus x1 value is minus 1, so minus minus plus, next to minus x1 value is minus 1 plus g value is 3 by 4. Next to y minus y1, y1 is 2, it is equals to 0. 2 minus 1, 1 into x plus 1 minus, so here 4 is LCM, minus 4 plus 3 into y minus 2 equals to 0. 1 into x plus 1 is x plus 1 minus, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 by 4 into y minus 2 equals to 0. So then x plus 1, here minus of minus plus 1 by 4 into y, next to 1 by 4 multiply and so then the equation of a normal is 4x plus y, 4 minus 2 is plus 2 equals to 0. Next to third question, 3x square plus 3y square minus 19x minus 29y plus 76 equals 0 at the point is 1 comma 3. First you divide the equation with 3 because in the general form we have a coefficient of x square and y square is 1. So then here x square plus y square minus 19 by 3 into x minus 29 by 3 into y plus 76 divided by 3 equals to 0. So here the 2g is minus 19 by 3 and then g equals to minus 19 divided by 3 2s are 6. Next to 2f equals to minus 29 by 3, then f equals to minus 29 divided by 3 2s are 6. Next constant term is 76 divided by 3 and the given point is p x1 comma y1, that is 1 comma 3. So now the equation of a tangent formula is, so here x into x1, so that is 1, next to y into y1, that is 3 plus g value minus 19 by 6 into x plus x1 1, next f value minus 29 divided by 6, next to y plus y1, that is 3, next to constant number 76 divided by 3, it is equals to 0. X into 1 is x and y into 3 is 3y, next to minus 19x divided by 6 minus 19 by 6 minus 29y by 6 minus 29 3s are minus 87 divided by 3 and constant term, that is 76 divided by 3 equals to 0. Sorry, here is 87 divided by 6. Now take the LCM. 6 is a LCM, so 6x plus 6 3s are 18y minus 19x minus 19 minus 29y minus 87 plus here 6 in 3 table 2s are 2 into 76 is 152, it is equals to 0. Now 6x minus 19x is minus 13x, 18y minus 29y is minus 11y, next to minus 19 minus 87 plus 152, so it is plus 46 equals to 0. This is our required equation of a tangent. Otherwise take the minus common. So if you're taking the minus common, 13x plus 11y minus 46 equals to 0. So y1 is 3 plus f value is minus 29 by 6. So 3 minus 29 by 6. Let's take the LCM. 6 is a LCM. 6 3 is a 18 minus 29. So bracket of x minus 1. Next here also 6 LCM. 6 minus 19. Whole bracket of y minus 3 equals to 0. 18 minus 29 is minus 11 divided by 6 into x minus 1 minus 6 minus 19 is minus 13, and minus of minus plus 13 divided by 6 into y minus 3 equals to 0. So next to minus 11 into x is minus 11x plus 11 plus 13y minus 13 into 3 is 39 equals to 0, because here denominator is 6 for both. 6 will go to right side. So next to minus 11x plus 13y, 11 minus 39 is minus 28 equals 0. Take the minus common, then the final answer is 11x minus 13y plus 28 equals to 0 is the equation of a normal. Next to fourth problem, x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 equals 0, and the point is 4 comma 2. So compare with the general form of a equation of a circle. So then 2g equals to minus 6, then g equals to minus 6 divided by 2, so it is equals to minus 3. Next to 2f equals to 4, then f equals to 4 by 2 is a 2. Next constant number minus 4, and the given point p x1 comma y1, so it is equals to 4 comma 2. So then the equation of a tangent formula is, so x into x1 is 4, next to xy into 4 plus y into y1. y1 is 2 plus g value is minus 3 into x plus x1 4. Next to f value 2 into y plus y1 is 2 plus c value is constant number c, that is minus 4. So here minus 4 equals to 0. X into 4 is 4x. Next to plus 2 into y, 2y minus 3x minus 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. 2 into y is 2y. 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 equals 0. So here plus 4 minus 4 cancel. So here 4x minus 3x is x. 2y plus 2y is 4y. So minus 12 equals 0 is a equation of a tangent. Next equation of a normal formula, substitute the values in this. So 2 plus 2 4 bracket of x minus 4, next to minus 4 minus 3 is 1 bracket of y minus 2 equals 0. So 4x minus 16 minus y plus 2 equals to 0. So 4x minus y minus 16 plus 2 is minus 14, it is equals to 0 is the equation of a normal.